Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys Luminary nail system swatches of all the colors that we have for sale on our site, the Nail Throne. And there is a new color that just came out, so I'll show you guys that, and the Empower Matte Top Coat. So I'm really excited to share with you guys all these colors because I haven't actually done a swatch video for Luminary yet, which is kind of surprising. I'm usually on top of that, but I've been really busy. So, okay, so I'm just going to jump right into it, not waste too much time because I already know this video might be long. So if you guys are looking to get like starter kits or whatever, so if you're wanting to get the bundle, the Pro Diamond Kit, it comes with the 30 milliliters, a empty pink jar, a 10 milliliters, a top coat, a primer, and it comes with a squeeze lid that you would use with your 30 milliliters in order to refill your bottles and to fill up your empty pink jar. So I'll show you guys this. I just wanted to mention that some of my bottles are the old packaging, so like this one. So you guys might see this black packaging versus the rose gold packaging. And that's only because I just don't want to waste product and take the rose gold packaging for myself when, you know, these are perfectly fine. So this is what you guys will get though if you purchase from my site. You'll get the new rose gold packaging. Okay, so the first stuff I'm going to show you guys is Drive, because this is how you would get it in your Bundle Box Pro Diamond Kit. So then you also get a squeeze lid, so I'm going to put on my squeeze lid, open up my empty pink jar, and squeeze the color in. Because the new packaging is like a soft packaging, so you can squeeze it easier. So you're only really going to squeeze in what you would need, and then you can use this to refill your bottle. So it's really cool. So I'm going to put this away and then we will swatch. Okay, so the first color I'm going to show you guys is called Drive. So I'm not going to do, so if I was doing this on a client, I would do a base coat, cure it, then build it. But because this is just a swatch stick, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to do a slip layer though. So that's what you would do on a client as well. Base coat, cure, slip layer, don't cure, builder layer. So that would be my slip layer. And then I'm going to pick up a big dollop. So if this was on a client, like this swatch stick is quite large and long. So you probably wouldn't need such a big dollop of product, but because it's a swatch stick, I have to. And then I'm just going to apply it like you would if you were doing gel. You apply it with the brush it comes with, so it's really convenient. And then when I'm doing this on a client, you guys have probably seen in my past videos, I flip my client's hand upside down and I take a look and I try to even it out with my brush. Just like that. Such a pretty color. And then I give that a full cure. Okay, so while that's curing, I have a second swatch. I've already done these so that I can show you guys what the matte looks like. So that's what Drive looks like fully done. And then I will top coat these at the very end. So I'll top coat one matte, one shiny, and then show you guys the difference. But just for sake of speed, I don't want to wait like a full minute while that cures. So that's what Drive looks like. Now we will move on to the color Hope, which was one of my favorite colors before I played around with these the most, because I found it the most versatile one. But now that I've been playing with these a lot, they're all really nice. And now I don't use Hope as much as sorry, that's really loud. Now I don't use Hope as much anymore because I really like Harmony and the new color, which I'll show you guys in a bit. And yeah, so Hope is a good staple. So if you guys are looking for a color to start out with, I would maybe go with like Hope and Harmony. But I will show you guys these lined up and then you can pick for yourself which one is your favorite. And we're not going to have the pink jars soon, so if you do like the pink jars, stock up quick. We're switching over to black jars, just so everything is cohesive and matches. We'll do that once I run out of the pink jars. Sorry, I got distracted there. Okay, so again, you're just going to apply this over the nails. And then even flip your client's hand, but this is just a swatch stick. And then even out the product. And then I flip the client or my swatch stick and I kind of just let it melt. But don't let it melt so much that it goes into the cuticle area, obviously. Just let it melt a little. And then if you guys watch my video with Kelly, she uses one of these, and you go like this and you stick it over. You guys won't be able to tell in the upper light, but you can then use the light to see where your mistakes are. So you can kind of use the line of light. So I can see here that I need more product, but since this is just a swatch stick, I'm just gonna cure it just like that. Isn't it pretty and super versatile? Like I said, it's like the perfect color. I love this one. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys the black. So this one is called Absence. I do have a YouTube video up of using this, so I will link that in the top corner, and you guys can watch that. So Absence is just like plain solid black. It's super nice. If you guys don't know anything really about Luminary and you're new here, Luminary is a manicure product, so it's base plus color, so your clients can go without chipping and stuff. So you put the base color on and your clients can just go like that, and they have nude or black or white nails and they don't chip or anything. They last great. I absolutely love Luminary. And then you can polish on top or leave it as is. So I like to do both ways depending on the look my client's going for. Some of my clients really like wearing nude nails, some really like colorful nails. So I usually just use one of my favorite colors underneath, like Hope, and then I will just color on top with gel polish. But you can also just wear them as it is. So the black, you just go, again, build up the color. This will give your client's nails a lot of extra strength. So it's not like a regular gel manicure product where you just apply a thin layer and then you apply color on top. It's a little bit thicker. It's really strong, like acrylic and hard gel. Here is how Absence looks fully cured. Isn't it super nice? I love that one. Okay, so the next one I'll show you guys is the brand new color called Aspire. It is a peachy kind of color and has no pink undertones. So that's really nice because a lot of these are really like a nudie pink, and this one is a nudie peach. So it's very, 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 very nice and pretty and not too, you know, pink. I keep forgetting where my camera is. It's like I keep thinking it's like right here, but it's actually right here. So again, we'll do a super thin slip layer and then I will build it up on top. Add a bit more here. I feel like I don't have enough product on here. Once you get the hang of this product too, it is so easy to use. So again, flip and use your brush to even it out. So you never want to really rush it. You just want to wait until it's evened out. So you can move it around a bit with your brush, like pull up the sides. If it gets bulky in one spot, flip your client's hand. Stuff like that. Okay, and here is how Aspire looks. So I'll just quickly show you guys that next to something like Hope, so you can really see the differences in the color. So that is Aspire, and then this is Hope. So you guys can see it really doesn't have any pink in there, just nice peachy nude. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you guys is the white in this collection. So this is Presence. I have done a video already up with this, and I did kind of like an opal design. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to apply a thin coat like I've been doing this whole time. Thin coat, build up color. That's how Presence goes on, just like that. Give that a cure. Okay, and this is what Presence looks like when it is cured. It's kind of cool to actually have like a white gel that will last and not like chip, you know, or chip off. Using something like this is great to get a nice smooth even cuticle area, because I know sometimes when you do gel polish you can get kind of a messed up cuticle area if you're not perfect with it. So the next one we're going to look at is called Balance. So this one's a really, really nice light pink. Okay, so there it is. Isn't that so pretty? It's so light and pretty. I love it. So I'm going to cure that. Then I'll show you guys the already done cured one. So that's what Balance looks like. So I'll compare that with Drive just to show you guys the difference. So this is Balance, this is Drive. You can see that Drive has a little bit more pink undertone and Balance has more of a peachy undertone. The next color is called Grace. So this one changes the tone a bit to a little bit more darker, a little bit more rosy. I don't even know if I've actually even used this one yet on a client. Okay, so that's what Grace looks like. Really pretty. I'm gonna cure that. And then I'll show you guys that fully done. Here is Grace. You can see that that is a lot more pink and rosy than, say, Hope. Grace. So it's much more pink than Hope. And then I'll show you it next with Aspire too, which is the one that has the peach undertone. So we got Grace, Hope, and Aspire. All very different, but all really pretty. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you guys is actually what I have on my nails right now. My nails look really bad, by the way. But I have Faith over top of the Gel X extensions with some unicorn flakes. So I had some people asking me what was on my nails. So that's what is on my nails. So Faith is one of my favorites. I use this one a lot as the under color for some of my gel manis. I think it's really pretty. And I do have a YouTube tutorial coming with it. So when I do a client, I would like bend the finger down a little bit. And I do the swirling motion to kind of hold the color where I want it to go. Definitely when I'm doing a client, I do a lot less near the sidewalls and a lot more of the product in the center, because that's where you really want your strength. So that is Faith. I will cure that. Oh no, I messed it up in the light. And here is what Faith looks like when it is fully cured. So it's super pretty and peachy. So I'll compare it here with Drive just so you guys can see that Drive is a lot lighter. Faith, Drive, and then this is Balance. So they're all light but slightly different. The next color is Peace, which is another staple. I love Peace. I did a leopard print set with Peace and it turned out really pretty. So I will also link that in the top. It is another just like super versatile nude. So pretty. This is what Peace looks like when it is fully done. So I'll show you guys it next to Hope because that's probably the most similar one, comparable one. So Peace and Hope. So they're very similar, but I find Hope's a little bit darker, more pigmented, and has a little bit more pink in it. Okay, the next one up is one of my favorites. Again, another favorite. It's called Harmony. This one's super pink. I really like this one. It's the pinkest one. So if you guys are looking for a more pink base color, then definitely go for Harmony. Isn't it so pretty? It's so pretty. It's so pink. So when it's fully cured, it looks like this. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect pretty baby pink. So the next one we have is called Growth. So this is like another pinky nude, but it's like, I will just show you guys. So it's not quite as pink as Harmony, but it's really pretty. Okay, so I'll show you guys that next to the Harmony. So you can see it's pink like Harmony, but it's a little bit more subtle and a little bit more nude. Okay, and the last one I'm going to show you guys is called Love. So Love is similar to Grace, so it's more of that like rosy color. And then I'll show you guys a comparison of them if you're curious. I feel like this one's a little bit more like, I don't know, salmon colored. Like the inside of the salmon, like true salmon. So here's that swatch of Love. So that's what Love looks like, and then this is Grace. So can you guys see the differences in them? It's kind of actually hard in my camera here to see a difference. Okay, so before I top coat these, I wanted to tell you guys that if you are curious about trying these, what you can get is a starter kit. The starter kits come with an already labeled and sealed 5-gram jar, so you can try it out, like I said, with the dollop. And it comes with a 10 milliliter of your color and the top coat. So You can get the starter kits for about the same price as you can get one of the 30 milliliters. So it's kind of nice to try it out, test out the color, see if you like it. And then if you're into it, then you'd get the primer and stuff like that. So this is just a test out. No wipe top coat is a matte no wipe top coat. So you just apply one coat, cure it, and it's nice and matte. So I will do it on the brand new color, which is called Aspire. And then the Empower shiny top coat comes in the new packaging as well. But like I said, I have a bunch of the old packaging and I'm not going to switch it because there's no point until I run out. And then I'm going to do the other Aspire in shiny and I'll show you guys them next to each other. Okay, you guys excited? I'm going to show you guys this. So, okay, so here is Inspire. Here's Aspire shiny. And then here is it matte. How amazing is the matte top coat? I love it. Don't you guys love that? It's so matte. It's so nice and it's so smooth like velvet. So it's just cures nice and matte. So I'm going to top coat all of these and then I will show you guys them next to each other so you can really see the colors. Okay, so I got them all top coated. We have matte and shiny. So if you look here, I'm going to go through them. We have Hope, Drive, Absence, Aspire, Presence, Balance, and then over here we have Grace, Faith, Harmony, Peace, Growth, and Love. So, which is your favorite matte and which is your favorite shiny? Or do you have a favorite in general? So one of them you like it either or matte or shiny, or all of them. You would like them all. I like them all. I'd have to say that my favorite one is probably become Faith. I seem to gravitate towards Faith a lot. I find it really versatile. It's soft. It's light. It goes on a lot of skin tones. It's really pretty. I really like the range of the nudes they have in here. And then they have the brighter ones, the pinks. And then they have the brand new one, which is very like peachy with no pink undertones. I think it's really nice. So I hope you guys like this video. And if you want to see me do something with these, please let me know in the comment section. Because I'm always looking for video ideas, especially with Luminary. Because it's a manicure product, I want to make sure that you guys are really interested in what content I'm posting. So let me know down below if you have any ideas, what you want to see. Make sure you join my product group for new products that come in and new stock updates. It's Nail Throne Product Group. And make sure you subscribe, click the bell to be notified whenever we post a video. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!